What's up, guys? I know you don't want to hear from me, but before I give the mic back to Stella, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Pampers Pure. As you know, Pampers Pure recently launched their website where you can now pick your favorite prints co-designed by Chrissy Teigen and have them delivered straight to your door. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to make your life simpler, so I love subscription services that allow me to have things I always use delivered to me on schedule so I can skip a few trips to the store and save money. Since Stella is only wearing diapers at night, sometimes I forget to pick them up when we're running low, so I'm so glad Pampers Pure now has a super easy to use subscription service that allows you to pick your prints, choose your diaper size, and select how often you want your diaper bundles delivered to your door. For me, one bundle a month is more than enough to get us through the nights. Check the description box below to find out how you can sign up and save on your Pampers Pure diapers and wipes. All right, let's get back to the tour.
My books. And what said nursery books. There are other clothes. My diapers. I am piecing my diapers. No, I'm a big girl. Yeah, my wipes. I wipe myself in a clean. Elephant. A box. My books. This one. What is this? Look at the rainbow. My light. There are popsicles. Have to reach. My big rainbow. There's a smaller rainbow and a bigger rainbow and a smaller one. These are my blessed. These are crocodiles. They're a bigger bit. I'm not scared anymore. I'm a big girl. I want to take this off when it's dark. Yeah. And that because I want to turn it off. My curtains. Yellow, green, and orange. There was toy in my toy box. Look! In my toy box. I painted a dinosaur. Hear that? That's the music. That's when you sleep. You hear that? That light turns this on. my other basket. This is my picture. The papers and that my paper. This is my desk. My markers are right here. These are my crayons. They are colorful. Please listen to me. Let's go see my closet. This is my closet. My shoes. I have my boots over there. I have my toilet over there. I love these clothes. These are my dirty clothes. Now let me change my clothes.
Stella and I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I will do my best to link as many of the products featured in this video in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check the description box for a link to the Pampers Pure website so you can bundle and save on your Pampers Pure diapers and wipes.